Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to increase the size of virtual RAM in any Windows computer. So before proceeding, let me make you clear that what really is virtual RAM. So it's not actually the hardware RAM that you can see in most of the computers whether you are using a laptop or a desktop computer. The virtual RAM actually is what it does actually is in a common language that when your RAM is insufficient to run lots of heavy programs, then this virtual RAM boosts it up to make your PC run multitasking programs very smoothly. So this is the mainly functions of the virtual RAM. So without any further delay, let's directly jump to the topic. Now what you need to do is, you can see at this PC, so just right click on this PC icon and you can see below properties, just click on it. Now when the properties window gets open, now you can see here advanced system settings, just click on it. Now under this system properties, you can see here advanced tab, just tap on it, and below this tab you can see here performance. So under this performance settings, click on settings. Under this settings you need to click on advanced. Now here you can see here a virtual memory, that is the RAM, as you can see here, paging area. This is already set by the computer by default. Now click on change. Now here you can see a tick mark, just untick it. Now here you can see below customize size. So before typing any value, so here you can see I recommended to 9 MB and currently allocated is 2432 MB. So you can select a hard disk drives. Say you can select a C drive, D drive or E drive, whatever you want. So I'm selecting here a C drive. So the space available, you can see 319490 MB. So what I will do, I'll just select the initial size like 3000. This is my initial size and I will increase it to 4800. You can increase depending upon your needs as much as you want, but just for your convenience I'm just selecting this much of value. After selecting your respective initial size value and the maximum size value, what you need to do, you can see here set, just click on it. Now you can see here and the above the paging file size you have selected initial is from the 3000 MB to 4800 MB. So once you are done, click on OK. Now you will be asked the changes you have made required to restart your computer before they can take effect. Just click OK, just click apply, click OK, and close all the programs before restarting. So and lastly, what you need to do, now you need to click on restart. So now finally our computer is restarted and now you will see the size of the virtual RAM of your Windows computer has increased. So let's go back to this PC, properties, advanced system settings. We'll check back the virtual size. Now you can see here it's being set now to the value you have put earlier. So everything is set. So in this way you can increase the size of your virtual RAM in any Windows computer very easily. So if you find any difficulty in understanding this video tutorial, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.